Hello everyone, this is Ankit Chaudhary. If you want to become CY officer, so I am brand ambassador. Uh, I am the brand ambassador. So I will tell you the roadmap to become CY officer. First is first we know that who is CBI. CBI, the full form of CBI is Central Bureau of Investigations. So it works under government of India. So the question is, why does the government hire CBI officer? So it do investigation, corruption, murder, and special cases. At the headquarters of CBI is New Delhi. After that passing class 12, when you will come in 11th, you will choose three streams. One of them is arts, commerce, and science. I will prefer you that you will choose science because you will not you will need not to study more because you will already study like maths, science, PCM, chemistry, biology. It will help you in also government exam. Like after 12th class, no percentage is required for this, and you can also do any kind of degree like BA, BTech, MTech, BSc, anything. It is not mandatory for all that you have to do this degree, and no percentage is required. Third is the pattern of SSC examination. SSC examination has two exams like Tier 1, in which have four uh, subjects like math, English, GS and reasoning, which will carry 100 question and 200 marks, and you have to do in 1 hour. And Tier 2, which will carry 450 marks out of 150 questions. That is, uh, when you clear first or second tier, you will perform third step like document verification. They will check your document like it will correct or not. Last step is medical examination, and they will check your mental health, physical health. Next is selection process. Like after the selection, they will check your document verification, like your mark sheet is real or not, or your Aadhaar card. And second is medical examination, and like when you join like officer, so it is not need to run more. They will check your mental health, physical health, but you have to run only few distance, not more than. When you join a low level post, so you have to run more distance. Next is final merit list. After the when you done all these things, then your name will come in merit list. If your name is in merit list, so you will be hired. They will give you uh, they will give you seats which have you selected for your particular post, like CBI, income tax inspector, excise inspector. You will go to training, like training. They will teach you criminal investigation, law, cybercrime, evidence collection, firearms, interview skills, and investigation. And then you will join a spectre. They will check all in medical. In medical, they will check your eyesight, physical fit, and mental fit. If I tell the salary of civil inspector, his basic salary is 44,900. When we add DA, HR, TA, and medical pension benefits, so it will increase 1,42,400. If I tell the promotion of CBI, that first you join inspector, then you will work good. They will give you promotion like deputy superintendent, उसके बाद super superintendent, then senior superintendent, then DIG, joint director, special director, and director. It is the higher post in CBI. Thank you. If you join CBI officer, so you must follow this.